Hello everyone, this is Arun Zubairu. Today I will respond to Mohammed Kamarimba Mansari. Mohammed Kamarimba Mansari, you don't open the Pandora's box. You don't bring the challenge to me. But we're ready for fight back today. So I will ask Dr. Yonkelam, with all due respect, sir, no respond to this man. No respond to Mohammed Kamarimba. It's rather unfortunate for now we get somebody like Kamarimba for run for president of Sierra Leone and we entertain him. This matter should be non-factor. Now, man, we're not an opportunist. We think say there's an opportunity we can make money. They're a pathological liar. We say not be ever the APC, not sign one, that's one day. Now, man, we're full of deceptions and lie and innuendos. Now, man, we're it want for be somebody when they call Mohamed Bangura. Now a copycat. He wants to be. Because Mohamed Bangura talk like how Kamarimba they talk so, then APC bring a account closer, then Mohamed Bangura thief so much money, then they get a position. But guess what will happen? When they find out say Mohamed Kamarimba na thief man, and the thief bad, they say no, we don't want you in our party. Get out, then kick out, then drive and come on. Mohammed Kamarimba will ask you for bringing him on. Because next week, we will prove everything to you verbatim. Not only verbatim, but we will show text, we will show audio, we will show video of your lies and this deception and your flip-flops when you talk about. You know, I can tell you today, you listen to the American political conversation and you keep to use them, thinking that you're supposed to talk about. Because you're not getting no conviction. Most of it, you can get conviction. You can get a love of country. Mohammed Kamarimba, the 600 thermometer them, when they ask you what take go Sierra Leone, why not phone number you can't go? We will begin to talk about that next week. When people and they sick, then they die. They give you for 600, now 4 you can't go. Who say you take all the money they go? But I don't know if you remember, because Alhaji Doumbouya, in 2008, now he make you go register for APC. Now he make you go register. But you know that you register too? Now remind you. Mr. Bangali Mansari, now you register. But now remind you again. 2010, now you choose as the president for the youth of APC. So the deception, the lie, the conniving behaviors. You know, you're a pathological liar, man. You lie. Yes. But we know next week, we will come after you in kind. Because you're not getting no integrity, my friend. Whose integrity will you get? The people that will put money for you, today they sue you. Because you thief their money, not them one problem for you. But in Togo, if they sue you today, because you thief their money, we will begin names them, and they will begin come out and tell you who that you don't thief. How many people the money you thief and eat? If you say you make $120,000, if now group home you the work, Mr. Kamarimba, you know they make $120,000. If you have a proof saying you make them, show it over the past 10 years, you W2. But we know in the 5 months that you get. If not to loan, you loan them. Let me still tell you mortgage and how much you pay. Because we know $120,000, how much you take home. Because if you get picking them, you get family, you get motorcar, you get insurance, you don't even afford for 5 years, for pay mortgage for 5 years. But you thief money. You thief plenty people the money. But come next week, will they come after you, my friend? Next week, will they come after you? But no, I think so you remember. And I remind you again. In Sierra Network, you know what you say? The way APC treats you, now the same thing that they do to Kanda Yonkelam. But if you not become the Yonkelam, you will join your party. Or you go form a party. Now that's your advisor. But let you go form a party. Now when you form a party, like you say no to the same. You know, you are non-factor, man. But then we do then tip them day, we go tell the world how deceptive you are. Sierra Network, we go tell all what you talk. We get data them. We get people that we will prove to you for the lie and deception. You know, a like man, you don't get respect for the salon people them. You want to thief. APC say no. So you want to come after you, Kela, out of the jealousy. Listen, you don't be America this long. I know say a big pass you. But don't mean anything. But yes, I don't know longer on America to pass you. But United Nations, if you don't know what's the purpose of United Nations, you don't need for run for president, my friend. Because you don't know. I'd expect a little bit more from you. But you don't know what's the purpose of United Nations. I saw you for you. I saw you for there. You, the run for president. I saw you for the salon people who entertain this. Dr. Young Kela, you are not at the same level with Kamarimba. Kamarimba na a thief in one can thief. He don't get no values. He don't get no respect. He just want to come and get your cut. Because you don't see a big vault who said the work for go take money and go and reach himself and family. Mohamed Kamarimba, guess what? You know to Mohamed Bangura, he not fit you. Go sit down. You're not fit for the party discussion. But if you want, next week we go begin the debate. We go send any representative for go debate you. Because I don't think say you get the brain. You not get the know-how. You just talk and regurgitate what you don't watch now American news. You don't get no future. If you get, you will bring people them together, but you make so much enemy them. You're not a greedy man. You're not a selfish person. You abandon the people that will elevate you today. We'll ask you, come with you debate next week, we go fight. Alright? Take care, my friend. God bless you.